is only one suspension bridge in the world that links two mountain peaks, the Peak Walk by Tissot. It's located at Glacier3000 and invites you to experience an adventure you'll never forget. The Peak Walk by Tissot is the ultimate glacier adventure. It links the lower summit, Viewpoint, with the main summit 5 meters higher, Sex Rouge, and takes all visitors to the heights. The bridge, which is 107 meters long and 80 centimeters wide, offers a breathtaking view of the Alps. The Matterhorn, Mont Blanc, Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau are the best-known visible peaks, attracting amazed gazes that fade into the distance. The suspension bridge is accessible free of charge and is open all year round, weather permitting. From the Col du Pillon, the cable car takes you comfortably up to Glacier3000. The walk begins directly at the Sex Rouge mountain station. Those who prefer to take it a bit easier can take the Ice Express chairlift to the glacier and can begin their walk in the snow from there. The goal of the Glacier Walk, which takes about an hour, is the restaurant Refuge l'Espace on the edge of the glacier by Quille du Diable. It offers a wonderful view down into the Derbarance Valley and Valais, and the many delicious menus promise a culinary delight of a top quality. Those who feel revitalized and full of energy after the meal can walk back to Sex Rouge.